Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I am taking you on a night point of view drive with this car. This is the facelifted CUPRA FORMENTOR and it's got the diesel engine, so the 2-liter TDI. Now on this facelifted version you can see the new design language from CUPRA. I really love the lighting signature on those lights as well as the very aggressive styling here on the front. LEDs on this one. You can also get the matrix LEDs as well. Lovely CUPRA puddle light, and midnight black is the name of the color for the model in our video. It's also got the lovely 19-inch wheels, which I really love. Now we move on to the rear. I want to show you, so I will unlock it and let me show you the lighting signature. How cool is that? So much presence on the road with the illuminated CUPRA logo and then the coast-to-coast lights, definitely emphasizing the width of the car and making it unique on the road. Let me also show you the trunk space. Press this, electric tailgate, and here we are greeted with a nice square shape. And also look at this, the spare wheel, something that we don't often see in modern day cars. So now we are ready for the night drive, and also the car locks when you go away and unlocks when you approach it. You saw the dynamic indicators, and now here is the lovely modern interior. So without further ado, let's see how it looks from driver's perspective. So welcome to the interior of the new CUPRA FORMENTOR. Here is the start engine button, so I will turn it on and we can go on a nice relaxed night drive. So I will put it here to drive. You see the minimalistic gear selector of the DSG automatic transmission, and off we go. So the model in our video has got the 2-liter TDI, so the diesel engine, and I think it's been quite a long time since I tested a diesel engine, so it's nice to see a diesel as option on a new car here on the CUPRA FORMENTOR. And speaking about options, really there's a lot to choose from, so you can go for the petrol models, the mild hybrid petrol, and then also this diesel, or the plug-in hybrids. So tell me in the comments what would be your choice of powertrain for the new CUPRA FORMENTOR. And also for this one, so I already mentioned 2-liter TDI, 150 horsepower paired with the 7-speed DSG automatic transmission. Top speed is 205 kilometers per hour. So those are some really nice numbers, and I think this diesel is really a good choice for the new CUPRA FORMENTOR. And in today's video we will go on a nice relaxed drive. You will see the city driving, and of course stay tuned for more. I will also film the point of view drive during the day, country roads and highway. Soon we will exit this, as you can see, pretty big garage. So we are here. Relaxing sound of the indicator, and we can go. There we go. The layout in front of the driver is super nice, with the 3-spoke steering wheel that has the flat bottom, which is something that I'm a big fan of. Then you see the buttons here, this one for starting the engine and this one to change the driving mode. Speaking about that, here as you can see, drive profile, performance, individual and comfort, and it's very easy to change between those. Steering wheel feels very nice in hand. Steering is nice and pointy, and you have this sporty feel here behind the steering wheel, which is something that I really love on this model. The views on the digital cockpit can be adjusted by pressing the button, the physical button on the steering wheel, which is very convenient. I quite like this view here. And then speaking about buttons, the AC controls, you don't have the buttons for it, but you have this pretty easy to use system because it's got the special menu for the climate, and you have the illuminated sliders here. So for the temperature, in my opinion, of course there are no buttons, but again, for touchscreen, I think among the easiest ones out there, so I think you will get used to it quickly. You also have the sort of like the shortcuts here. And yeah, speaking about shortcuts, here is where you have shortcuts for various things, including the start, stop, off. And there are different ambient lights available. And if you follow me regularly, you will know that I'm a big fan of the ambient lighting in the cars. So we will have it in this blue. I think it looks very cool. You can also have the personal one, which you can pre-configure. And also I must compliment the dashboard, both design and the materials. And here, for example, the central bridge, very nice under the hand, and also no gloss black details, just this little section which you will basically not touch, just this B button, but yeah, very good. Behind the steering wheel you also have the pedals for manual changing of the gears. So you can play with those as well. And this is the speed warning that is mandatory by law for all new cars. So as soon as you go just a bit over the speed limit, you have the beeping sound, which, by the way, in this case it's pretty I mean, I would not say relaxing, but it's not as annoying as some sounds in other models and other cars. And what is also good is that you can easily turn it off also here. And this is very nice, by the way. Lovely decorations. And we have few drops of rain. And if you want to see more details of the infotainment system, you can watch my full in-depth review during the day, which is already live on the channel. And here we have the driver assistance safety systems. In this car, plenty of those, and you can configure how you want them to work. That was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and make sure to subscribe in order to see more with this car, but also with other cars as well. Thank you for watching. I want to hear your thoughts on this car and your thoughts on this drive, and I hope you enjoyed it just as much as I did. See you on the next one. Bye bye.